Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra unboxing. Now this came in, to be honest, over a week ago and just didn't have the opportunity to unbox this. I would say pretty cool piece of technology from Samsung. I'm actually kind of excited about this one. So I bought this primarily for media consumption. I stream a lot of, YouTube, Netflix, that kind of thing, right? So this being 14.6 inch dynamic AMOLED 2X at 120 Hz with HDR 10 plus. Just looking at the box, how thin it is. I mean, it's almost kind of funny to me. So we do have some pull tabs here, which I gotta say, I do love. No unboxing knife or blade necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and just undo these two and we'll get right into it. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Also, this is the beige model. From the pictures, from the other videos I've seen, this color looks pretty nice. So I can't wait to see it right now. So yeah, this is the beige, 512 gigs with 12 gigs of RAM on this one. So here we go, moment of truth. Okay, what's going on here? It's like still connected. What's going on? Did I not do this one all the way? Yeah, I didn't do this one all the way. Take that out. Here we go. Yeah. And of course, you're greeted with the Samsung paper. Get this tab here. I mean, I'm just laughing because, like, just look at how thin. Just look at how thin this is. I mean, it's ridiculous. This is giving me MacBook Air 15 vibes, with just how thin and wide it is. Anyway, we'll put this to the side for now, and we'll go ahead and see the other contents in the box. You do, of course, get your S Pen here. Nice. This is also IP68 water and dust resistant, along with the tablet, IP68. Put the pen to the side, and this is just your documentation. I'm not even gonna open that. And then what is this? Oh yes, your ejection tool for your SD card slot, which I have to say, Samsung, bring back the SD card slot for the phones, like upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say I can speak for a lot of people out there, a lot of my subscribers would like to see the SD card back on the S24 series. Come on, you can do it. Anyway, here's your tool for that. And you know what, since I have it here, let's just go ahead and we'll go through this really fast. I mean, might as well look at the contents. Oh, see, look at that. You get the USB-C to C cable here, which appears to be a little bit longer than the ones you get with phones, which I can appreciate, although, I don't know, it wouldn't hurt to have a charger also, right? But, SD card slot. Come on, Samsung, you can do it. Anyway, we'll put that to the side, and this is the main event, the actual Tab S9 Ultra itself. And then on the back here, we have some instructions on how to do the S Pen. So you can see, I'm just gonna go in here, and I'm just gonna take it apart. There you go. Woo! Look at that. 14.6 inches of just screen beauty. Wow. Now let's take a look at how thin it is again. And my goodness. Just look at how... This is almost comical to me. What is it, like 5.5 millimeters? I think it's the spec. Super thin. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. Where's the power button at? Power button. So it's over here. You got your power button and your volume rocker. Got some mics right here. So you use your tool. You do that. And you pull it out. Kind of what she said. See, it even says micro SD right there. Micro SD. Perfect. Again, Samsung. S24 Ultra. Or just the S24 series in general. SD card slot, come on, you can do it. And I'd have to say, they're calling this beige, the slightest tint of like a beige or like a gold-ish kind of very subtle tone to the essentially silver. This is really more like a silver to me. I'd have to say, I think I made the right choice. This looks very nice. It might be too bright for the light. Actually, I'm looking at my camera. Yeah, it's getting blown out. And we do have another decal here. We don't need this. Gotta take that off. Gotta have that super clean look. Ya digs. Anyway, Samsung branding right there. That's your little slot for the S Pen flash, and you got 2 camera modules. On the bottom here, you have sound by AKG. This is your dock for your, if you're buying the keyboard case, etc. More microphones, speakers, mics, speakers on this side, USB-C charging port. All right, man, enough of me talking. Let's just go ahead and turn this on because I want to see this 14.6-inch AMOLED display. Look at that. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, powered by Android. Oh, and before I forget, you have your front-facing cameras right there, which I do like the placement of. They placed it on the long part of the tablet and not on top over here. All right, here we go. Welcome. Let's see. Now, will the S Pen work right out the box? Look at that. It works. So we'll do it this way because we're fancy like that. For your review, I agree to the Samsung terms and conditions. Okay, so what are the like minimal requirements here? What if I do this? So there we go. That's the minimum. Easy setup with another device. Okay, we're gonna set this up manually. I want a clean install of this tablet. We're gonna go ahead and go in my Wi-Fi and I'm gonna enter my password. We're connecting to the Wi-Fi. Getting your tablet ready. This may take a few minutes. Here we go. Copy apps and data. Again, I'm not gonna copy anything. I want a clean, I want a fresh install on this brand new device. I'd have to say, first impressions, the screen does look pretty good. Now, this doesn't really have anything on it yet, but looks good so far. Okay, I'm gonna decline all of this for now. Fingerprints. Now, this does have a fingerprint scanner on the right side, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the fingerprint. We're gonna continue. Set secure screen lock first. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do a pattern. We'll just go ahead and do one of these. Continue. Firm. Confirm. Here we go. Fingerprint. Register. All right. So over there, I believe this is an optical scanner. Yup, it is. Place your finger. And look at that. %. Good. I just had to get used to it a little bit. Getting your tablet ready. Share files with friends, family. Okay, I missed that. Copy and paste between your phone and tablet. And do all this. Now, if you have a Samsung account, it's kind of like AirDrop, right, for Apple. It's pretty nice. We'll skip that for now, though. Skip out on all this. Yeah. I'll sign in later. Now, here we go. Samsung services. Again, we'll skip all this for now. Choose your display preference. I am a dark mode kind of guy, so we'll go with the dark mode. Very nice. There you go. You're all set up. Finish. Yeah, with this being the dynamic AMOLED display, your contrast levels, it's gonna be crazy. And we are in. Swipe down like that, and you go to you click on the 3 dots, and you go quick panel layout, right? Brightness control. You should always have this as show always. Right? And then device control, don't show that, done. So that way when you swipe down, it just looks a lot cleaner. And then you always have your brightness slider, which is how it should be out of the box, in my opinion. Like, why would you not want to have your brightness slider here? At least in my opinion, that's how it should be. All right, go back into settings, and then we're gonna go to display. So I want to make sure this is at 120 Hertz, and it is. Motion smoothness, adaptive, which is what you want to get the 120. Now, if you want to save a little bit of battery, sure, you can set it to standard. It'll slow it down to 60 Hertz, but don't do that. Leave it on adaptive. It'll automatically adjust from 1 Hertz to 120 Hertz, depending on what the tablet is doing anyway. I'm going to go down all the way here to the About tablet, right? I'm going to go to software information. And does this come with Android 13 version? Of course. Fresh out the box. You can go ahead and play with this if you want. I'm going to go back. And then One UI version 5.1. Fresh out of the package. Very nice. And then this is the 512 gigabyte model. And out of the box, you get about 454 gigabytes available. So again, if you pre-ordered this and you got the storage upgrade for free, if you save a lot of media on your device, that's plenty of space. 450 gigs plus, you should be good to go. So you take your S Pen out, you see this little pop-up right here, go like that, and these are your options. And then let's say you want to take a screenshot of this area of the display. Boom, there you go. You click download to not download, you click the down arrow to save the picture, and that's it. So that's how you do that. And then create a note. Clip web pages into notes while browsing in Samsung Internet. Yes, you can do that. And then here, you hear that? It makes that sound as if you were writing on actual physical paper. That's pretty cool. You can change the tip here. This is more of a highlight, right? And this is an eraser. You erase the whole thing. Come back to the pen. Come back to the highlight. Now there's a button here. If you press it, it becomes an eraser. There you go. You just press on it. Boom, it's gone. And this is the Chrome. Now if you want to open two apps at the same time, you just drag it. There you go, right? That was by accident actually. I'm going to do that again. Take your app and drag it. Left, right, pop-up view, top, bottom. Put it on the left for now. Now text on your device by pairing your phone. Now the cool thing about these new Samsungs now, the tablets, right, is that you can connect it to your phone like this and you can use your tablet as an extension of your smartphone. Pretty cool. Let's see if you want a third app open. Let's say this file manager. Go ahead and drop it here. So you can have 3 apps open all at the same time. So you can be a productivity beast with this device. You can have 3 or 4 things open all at the same time. 4K. Look at that. See, I'm writing and it's doing that. 4K video. You see that? It's pretty nice. We'll check out some HDR 60 FPS. Let's see what happens here. Gotta say, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty damn good to me. Alright, let's go ahead and test out the speakers here. We'll go ahead and just click on this. Sounds pretty good. I gotta say, man, I think I'm gonna enjoy this device very much. Screen is beautiful. Speakers sound fantastic. 14.6 inches of just beautiful screen real estate here. Dynamic AMOLED, HDR 10 plus, 120 hertz. I mean, what more can you ask for, right? I'm just glad that this exists. I mean, the scrolling here is super smooth. If you have another Samsung device, you can connect your phone on it. You can reply to texts. If you have Samsung TV, you can connect your TV via SmartThings app. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem and you like to consume media, this is one heck of a tablet. Highly recommend it. Cool, man. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra version. Just look at how thin this is. It's almost comical to me that nothing should be this wide, but this thin at the same time. It's actually kind of impressive. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. All right. So let me know your thoughts about this tablet in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.